I was looking for just a really simple process. Okay, had done several different types of products off the shelf. Visited with Josh, saw the results that he had gotten, and he was just extremely transparent, saying this is a very simple process. He and I had the same stories about where we had been, what other things we had tried, and he just said, Michael, this actually works. Got the 10-pack starter. Within 6 days, it was very apparent. It works. So got back, got started on the additional levels after that. It is a very simple 5-step process. I can tell you every single one of them works. Okay, from the meal replacement shake that I take in the morning, I don't have any cravings throughout the day. In some cases, I could probably go the whole day without eating, and that's not healthy. Okay, the thermogenics that I take simply do exactly what Josh said they would do. They've reduced my stomach. They've pulled the fat off my stomach. The recovery product that I take for after my workout, I don't know the whole metabolics behind it, but I can tell you 30 or 40 minutes after my workout is over, I feel replenished and I feel fine. The energy drink we take at 2:30 in the afternoon, typically as an entrepreneur, my head's on my desk at 3 o'clock and I'm absolutely struggling to stay awake, and it is an incredible boost at 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon for the rest of the day. Big fan of all of them. Have absolutely seen them work. I am down 21 pounds in about 60 days. I do work out, but I can tell you the entire system is the most simple system you will find that will do exactly what it's designed to do.